Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to plasti dip your car the right way, the only way. Here I got a Ford Fusion right here. It's pretty clean. First of all, you got to clean your tires really good. Got to clean them real good. I got some little scuff marks, but it don't matter. As you can see, this is my first YouTube video, so it's gonna be just a raw footage. Nothing really unedited raw footage, nothing really crazy. It's my first video, who cares? Alright, as you can see, I got the first coat on here. Well, you don't want to go too heavy with the spray paint, just a little light here and there.
Just a light coat.
Light coat for the first coat for
8 to 10 minutes.
Wait, 8 to 10 minutes. You gotta do at least 3 to 4 coats. I'll be showing you guys the rest. And I just got some new tires too. These are straight. Alright, we just got our third coat on there.
They're perfect.
It's looking really nice.
It's looking clean.
It's looking real nice.
I'm gonna go do the other bolt.
Alright, I got the second coat going on the second tire. Look how it looks so far. So far, so good.
Looks like.
Yeah, let me know if you guys want me to plasti dip my grill, maybe the Ford emblem. What else? Maybe the window trim. I might do that one next, the window trim. Let me know if you guys want me to do that. What else can I do? Maybe the Ford logo, Fusion.
More upgrades on the way.
Hey, more upgrades on the way, you dig? All right, update. So far I got 3 of the 4 tires. 3 coats in the first tire, 4 coats in the second, 2 coats in the third, and I'm about to start on the last one. But everything so far so good though. So far so good. And plus, this is my first time plasti dipping. Me and my brother, we just out here doing this, you know. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like these.
Right now you don't have no content. Last coat, guys.
You want to keep your distance at all times. You don't want air in there.
Exactly. You want to get the edges too. Don't. It don't matter if you get the tires. You know what I mean? Just peel that shit off. Yup. Did I miss angles? Nope. Didn't miss nothing. Yep. Perfect.
Look at that final coat.
Damn, this car is looking mean.
Alright guys, I'm back. And I'm about to show you guys the last coat of the glossifier onto the wheel.
Everything looks clean. I'm gonna make it really shiny, the last one.
It's the last coat.
Last coat, so I'm gonna all count. How does it look?
Alright, that should be good enough. Okay. Now to this tire. Okay. Now coming around to the last tire. Not the last one, third.
Gang, gang.
Watch out.
That's why you gotta make sure nothing is there.
Why'd she get that close? Why'd she get this close to the parking?
Come on, bro. You can't even record this one.
That's when your neighbors don't know how to park.
does it look on the other side?
Looks good.
Evenly coated.
Even coat. Okay, that's it, guys. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Thank you. All right. One thing I forgot to tell you guys is that to put tire shine around the tire, so when you spray the Plasti dip, it's gonna be easier later on to peel and remove with just one peel, and everything just comes off slowly. Look how beautiful this looks. And that's the excess. Let me show you the other tire now. And you just gotta find the magic spot right here. Boom. Slowly peel it all off. There you go. Okay, I just put him in the center caps. Look how beautiful this is looking. Look how nice this is looking though. Really. Let me know if you guys want me to matte black this, the grill, maybe that. Look at this. Look how nice this is. Nice. After everything dries up after an hour, you want to slowly take the bag out or protecting your brake calipers. Slowly take it out. Boom. That one's done. And on to the next one.
Really?
Bruh. Slow and steady.
I can't really do shit because this thing is right here, bro. This car is so close.
Car's way too close to you. Yep, you got it. Okay, as you can see, very nice. Yeah, look how mean this shit looking like. Yeah, that's mean. That's really mean. Let me zoom in on the tire. Yeah, that's looking mean.